Another fun one you can do for spring or Easter season, this one is cute to do with the kids too. So you're going to take some of those little pipe cleaners. I grabbed like a grayish kind of one and a brown one. Two wood beads. You can do these in different sizes. You can have a big one on the bottom and a smaller one on the top. But I just did mine in the same size. I got mine from Dollar Tree. And then you're just going to you're going to fold your pipe cleaner in half, push it through those beads, and then at the little bottom piece you're going to make little feet with those, and then for the top you're going to make little ears. This is so easy, so simple. You can twist the ears once you're done with them, or you can just poke them in once you bend them, if that makes sense. I did it twice so you can see. I glued the beads together. You don't really have to because they kind of stay in place, but just in case they move around, you can glue them together, and then you can reshape your ears, make sure they're the nice shape you want, and then fix everything too so that they can stand up. But these are super cute, super quick to make, and super fun. And you can make these in a bunch of different ways. You can make these too, like different characters. It doesn't have to be a bunny. You can get really creative and do other things with these too. But this is just, I just wanted to show you a quick and simple fun one. So once you're done with that, then you can draw on a little face. You don't have to draw on a little face, but you can draw on a little face. I'm going to add a bow to mine too. You don't have to add the bow, but the bow makes it just a little cuter. So I did two different bows. I did one with the twine and the white ribbon, and then I did one with pink and white ribbon. But just make them not too big to overwhelm the little bunny. So I drew the face. If you draw the eyebrow straight across like that, he will look kind of serious. So if you don't want to look that serious, draw the eyebrows like in a downward little slope. But I drew the face on with my acrylic pens, but you just take a fine tip paintbrush and some acrylic paint, and you can make the little faces on yours. Or like I said, you don't have to make the faces, because with the ears you can kind of get the bunny gist, but I just think the face adds a little extra touch to it. And then I glued on the bows, one in the middle and one at the top for the girl bunny, like kind of like a bow, a hair bow for her. And this is how they came out. So quick, so simple.